Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a focus on the best plus-size black corset available in the market. Introducing the Kranchungel Black Corset Top for Women Plus Size, a stunning piece that combines style, comfort, and support in one elegant package. This corset is meticulously designed to lift and support the bust, while also cinching the waist and flattening the tummy, giving you that desirable hourglass figure. Whether you're attending a special event, a themed party, or simply looking to spice up your wardrobe, this corset is the perfect choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of occasions, from weddings to cosplay events. Now let's talk about the features that make this corset stand out. With 12 flexible bones strategically placed throughout, it offers unparalleled shape and support. And here's the best part. The tightness can be easily adjusted with the ribbon lace-up back, allowing you to customize the fit to your liking. Made from high-quality polyester fabric, this corset is not only durable but also comfortable to wear. Plus, it's easy to care for, simply hand wash and lay flat to dry. Now, let's address sizing. It's important to note that corsets typically run smaller than regular clothing, so be sure to refer to the provided size chart and measure your natural waist before making your selection. And there you have it, folks. The Kranchungel Black Corset Top for Women Plus Size, the best choice for those seeking style, comfort, and support. Don't miss out on elevating your fashion game with this exquisite piece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping!